In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove green screen in After Effects, so let's get to it. Here you can see I have a video that has a green screen in the background, so once you have your video set up and ready, open Effects and Presets window and search for Keylight 1.2, it will be under Keying, and add it to the video that has a green screen. Then head over to the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll find a variety of different settings, but the one we need is the screen color. I'm going to select this eyedropper tool, then select the green screen color in the background, and I'll remove the green screen, and the video now has a transparent background. But in case if the green screen was not perfectly lit, there will be different shades of green, and by doing this selection, not all areas will get selected equally. So if you look closely, these areas did not get selected all the way. And in order to fix this, we need to increase the screen gain a tiny bit. As I start dragging it, those areas are disappearing, and in the end, we have a perfect selection. In order to reduce the noise around the edges of the object, you can go into the screen matte and increase the clip black a tiny bit to like 5 or 10 to reduce the noise and shrink the edges slightly. Don't go too high, otherwise you start losing details. And also, if you want to crop out like an entire area of the video, let's say there was an object in here that's not green, but you don't want to include it into the video, you can open the source crops section, and here by increasing the left crop, you'll see that you'll crop out like a complete area of the screen. So if that's needed for you, you can use it. It is here. So once you've isolated the object, you've removed the green screen perfectly, you can, well, go back to the project panel or whatever and drag the video like below the one that has a green screen. And here you'll see that the object is isolated without a green screen, and you can start building the scene. So here I'm just showing you an example, but you get the idea. And that's how you remove green screen in After Effects. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.